how to install 8 ball pool app. So if you want to install 8 ball pool app, then first you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store. So before that, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you've checked your internet connection, you can go for the search icon which is on the upper right, and then you can search for 8 ball pool. Once you've searched, here you will have your application. So if you want to download or install this application, tap on install. And once you tap on install, it will start the install process, and it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. So simply wait for some minutes and then it will be downloaded. And once it's installed, you can simply tap on play, which is on the right side. And once it's done, now it will take you to the application. You can sign up to your account or you can log into your account. That's it. That's how you download or install the application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.